Today I want to show you about Rakuten. It's a cashback Chrome extension that I have on all the time, and I use it all the time when I'm shopping online. As you can see, I already racked up $240, and this is for the last 30 days or so. These are some of my purchases from Kiehl's, Walgreens, Kohl's, Keurig, Kohl's again, HSN, Walgreens. Every single purchase I make, I get a percentage back. And Rakuten is also super cool. You basically rack up all these rewards, and every quarter they send you a nice paycheck to your PayPal account or bank account. But what's more important, I want to show you how you can leverage the power of Rakuten and cashback rewards to find more profitability on your online arbitrage business. You're going to go here under Hot Deals, and under here is going to show you all the brands that are offering the most cashback rewards for that specific day. For example, one of my favorite retailers to purchase from that I had really good success in the past with Amazon FBA is Kiehl's. And I noticed that Kiehl's today is offering 8% cashback. So then you would go to Kiehl's.com, and as you see, they have a 50% off on select bestsellers and gift sets, which is amazing. Now remember, on top of the 40% that Kiehl's is offering, you have your 8% from Rakuten. So you can stack those up, 48% off. Now, when you're buying a product at 48% off, chances are that you're going to be very profitable on Amazon FBA. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a product that I just found under this sale on the Kiehl's website. If you scroll down, I found this one, Powerful Wrinkle Reducing Eye Cream. Let's open it. It used to be $48, but because of the great sale that Kiehl's.com is having, it's $28.80. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the title, go on Amazon and paste the title. And this is a matching product. Always make sure to match the photo. See, it's 14 grams here, and also if you expand here, it is 14 grams as well. So it's exactly the same product. And of course I have my Seller AMP extension already activated. Now we could type $28.80, but that's not really the real price. Why? Because we know that Rakuten is offering 8% cashback. In addition to the 8% cashback that I'm getting from Rakuten, I'm also getting 2% cashback from my Capital One Sparks business card. So 2% plus 8%, I'm getting 10% back. So we're going to put $28.80 multiplied by 0.90. And $25.92 is the real price that I will be paying for this item in Kiehl's. So we're going to plug that in, $25.92. And as you can see, we are getting, I'm zooming in so that you can see better, $25.92. We are getting $2.05 profit per each of these items, and a profit margin of $5.13%. I usually look for at least 10% profit margin, but this is not bad. And it sells, Kiehl's products move pretty fast in my experience, and this one sells 140 units per month. If you look at the competition, it's actually not that bad. Amazon is on the listing. However, if you look at the Keepa chart, you will see that a lot of these Amazon sellers are being rotated with Amazon, and they are getting sales. For example, 1 sale, 6 sales, 22 sales in the last 30 days. So everybody's getting a fair number of sales, and Amazon will eventually run out. So this is definitely a good product to consider. So again, what you would do is you would go on the promotions page of Kiehl's and every single retailer that you want to look at, and you will scroll down and manually review each one of these items, keeping in mind the cashback that you're getting from Rakuten, the cashback that you're getting from your credit card company, and knowing the real price, you can data analyze that with Seller Amp and see if the profitability is there for you. Now, super important, when you're ready to purchase the item, before you check out, make sure to activate your Rakuten extension. Because if you don't activate it, the 8% cashback will never go through. So you will go to your extension and then activate it. And then Rakuten will do this on the background, and then it will pop up 8% cashback activated. The other great thing that Rakuten has is that it offers coupons. So it has like a nice coupon database. And it also tells you all the deals that this particular store, Kiehl's, is having. So it seems that right now, Kiehl's is not offering any additional coupons, otherwise it would show up here. But just to show you how the coupon thing works on Rakuten, I went to Macy's, to the checkout page, and see, you get a pop-up like this that says, oh, 1 coupon found, apply coupons. So Rakuten will go in the background and apply it. And see, it applied the coupon already. And did it go through? Yep. I saved $10.62, I think. Something like that. Anyway, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But make sure to always take advantage of both the cashback and the coupon function of Rakuten. But now I want to show you an even more important and significant and powerful strategy to find profitable products. It's by using a combination of tactical arbitrage, Rakuten cashback, and site-wide promotions that these different retailer websites are having. So for example, I know that Sam's Club right now is having 8% cashback with Rakuten. So what I would do is I go on tactical arbitrage, I put Sam's Club here, and I'm going to scan either the entire website or as many categories that are interesting to me. So for example, I'm going to scan all the grocery category. I'm going to add it to the bulk. I'm going to put Sam's Club grocery 8% off or something like that. Then on the source price adjustments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 10% cashback, because remember, I have 2% cashback from my credit card plus 8% cashback from Rakuten. So what this is going to do is that this scan that I'm doing for Sam's Club, tactical arbitrage is going to take 10% off of every single item that is scrapes off of Sam's Club. So if it sees an item that is $20, it's going to analyze it as being $18. And then it's going to compare that $18 item versus the same product that it finds on Amazon for the same UPC. And based on your profitability parameters, then it's going to tell you if it's a good product to analyze or not. Then all my filters remain the same as in the previous videos that I shared with you guys. And that's it. And then I'm going to search. And I'm actually going to run this search in the background. Now, while that's being taken care of, let me give you another example. Go to a website like Walgreens. And here on the top, we see extra 20% off if you buy for at least $40 in health and wellness with the code HEALTH20. So we know that if you click on here, all these products under health and wellness are going to be, what did they say? 20% off? 20% off. In addition to that, Rakuten is giving me 3% cashback. So we know that all these products under all these categories are 20% discounted. So you go on tactical arbitrage, type in Walgreens, and under category, you just want to analyze those specific categories. For example, vitamins and supplements, and fitness and nutrition, which is here. So once you have those two, add them to the bulk, save it under Walgreens, 20% off. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to add the 20% off that you are getting. So 20% store discount plus the 3% Rakuten cashback plus obviously my 2% from my credit card. So now all these products, Tactical Arbitrage is going to consider them as having 25% off discount. So we are going to search. So you're going to continue doing that for every single one of your favorite retailers and plugging them into Tactical Arbitrage. So for example, you go to Walmart, and Walmart doesn't usually have good cashback on Rakuten because Rakuten gives you 1% cashback on only selected categories. However, Walmart does have their clearance and rollback promotions. Let me show you. If you go under departments and then you go savings and feature shops, shop all deals, and then here you can select the categories that you want to analyze. For example, the beauty category is one of my favorites, and basically all these products are highly discounted, rollbacked, or on clearance, so you can expect for them to have really good prices. So what you would do is you would grab the URL. After you grab the URL of that page, you go to walmart.com, and instead of selecting categories here, you just plug in the URL right here under category. And that way it's going to analyze this specific page that you were in. Now you see all the number of pages that this section has, 1 to 25. So you will go to start page on number 1 and last page 25. And what this is going to do is Tactical Arbitrage is going to analyze page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and every single product. Then on your source adjustments, you would eliminate this, but you still put the 2% cashback that you get on your credit card. So for example, now go to target.com and go under deals, go under clearance, and here you will see 2,700 products that are in clearance in various rates of clearance. And how many pages do we have? We have 50 pages. So you grab the URL, you will run a brand new search on Tactical Arbitrage, type target.com, 1 to 50, and then the category would be this one. And now in terms of the store discount, you don't know, but the cashback, I get a 5% cashback on my Target Red card, which I also recommend you having. And the good thing is that Target already has the clearance price reflected here, so Tactical Arbitrage will grab that price in its analysis. So as you can see, this is a great way to find coveted deals you don't find anywhere else. These deals vary day to day. Why? Because the clearance and the cashback rewards from Rakuten, from the different offerings for each specific retailer, fluctuate day to day. So it's something that you have to check day by day, but you can find really good deals. And the good news is that your chances of becoming profitable on these items is much higher, because instead of shopping around at regular prices, you are probably going to get a product at least 10-20% off. It's really the equivalent of doing retail arbitrage from your house, online arbitrage, using these tools like Rakuten and online deals, plus the power of tactical arbitrage. It's like doing retail arbitrage from the comfort of your house. The last thing that I wanted to show you is that if you go under My Wallet on your Rakuten and you connect your credit cards, like I did here, I'm just blocking this area so you don't see my credit card information. What this does is that even when you're not shopping online, let's say you have your credit card information connected to your Rakuten profile, and let's say you go to the Target store and you make a purchase there and you pay with your credit card, Rakuten will give you in-store rewards without you having to do anything. So this is something that you can simply do. It takes 1 minute. You connect your credit cards and Rakuten will reward you even when you go eat at like Chipotle or Panera or certain restaurants. They will reward you without you having to do absolutely nothing except that initial time that you spend linking your credit cards. So anyway, I hope that helped, guys. And again, this is a great way of finding deals that nobody else is finding. If you want to sign up for Rakuten, if you haven't already, I have a link under my video. And basically when you make at least $30 worth of cash back for yourself in the first, I think, 90 days, I get $30 and you get $30. So it benefits both of us. And also tactical arbitrage, if you want to try for 10 days as opposed to the 7 days that is normally the trial, I also have a link under my bio, so you can do that as well. So anyway, I hope you're liking these videos. If you like this video, if you found it useful, like it, and also subscribe to the channel, because I am more regularly uploading more videos about Amazon FBA and other things as well. So have a great day and keep searching for those profitable products. Bye.